Pops Fernandez na nagkaroon sila ng matinding tampuhan ni Jo Marie Iliana at muntik na raw silang mag-break. Ang chikahatid ni Lars Santiago.
Itinanggi ni Pops Fernandez ang kumalat na balitang split na sila ni Jo Marie Iliana. Pero inamin ng concert queen na muntik na silang maghiwalay ng boyfriend. Hindi naman daw malaking bagay ang kanilang pinagawayan at wala ring third party involved. Pero 4 na araw silang hindi nag-usap. Ayon kay Pops, yun ang unang pagkakataong nagkaroon sila ng matinding tampuhan ni Jom.
It wasn't bad, but because it's the very first time, hindi talaga, meron kaming hindi lang kami siguro nakapag-communicate well. And I think that's where it came from.
Ngayong naayos na ang gusot, pinag-uusapan naman ni na Pops at Jom kung tatanggapin nila ang imbitasyon ni Martin na sa Amerika sila magpasko kasama ang mga anak ni na Martin at Pops.
We discussed it, but it really depends pa rin on my schedule because I know, tapos more than with Jom kasi I discuss it with my kids syempre because I want to be with my kids also during that season.
Masaya si Pops na maganda lang muli ang pagkakaibigan nila ni Martin. Nagalok pa nga si Pops na magsama sila ni Martin sa Valentine's concert sa susunod na taon na gusto ring mangyari ng Concert King.
I think we're about 85% sure that that's going to happen. So I'm trying to make parinig to all of you. I guess we will also want to see if you'd be interested to watch again.
I'm sure.
That whole.
Like to see it again.
Kasi before it was a tradition. Valentine's, Martin and Pops made a Valentine's a tradition.
Ipinagmamalaki naman ni Martin na nag-guest si Pops kasama ang dalawa nilang anak sa music video para sa Christmas List album ni Martin. Tinanong pa raw ni Martin si Pops tungkol sa talent fee nito.
I really did ask her because I'm not paying, it's a recording company. She goes, no, I'd be glad to do it. She loved the idea, the concept, and she even allowed the kids.
Lars Santiago, updated sa Showbiz. Happening.